Hello trainees, today we are going to learn about making the full housing joint. The objectives of this video are, after this session you'll be able to gathering equipment needed to make full housing joint, making the full housing joint, advantages and application of full housing joint. Let's start. Gathering equipment needed to make full housing joint. Wooden piece of dimension 90 into 20 into 300 millimeters, 1 number. Jack plane, tri-square, marking gauge, marking knife, scriber, measuring tape, bench vise, mallet, firmer chisel, pencil. Making the full housing joint. Check the wooden piece for its size using measuring tape. Plane the raw material to the required size using jack plane. Plane it squarely to the size of 90 into 20 into 300 millimeters. Cut the wooden piece into 2 pieces with a tenon saw to the size of 90 into 20 into 140 millimeters to square. Mark the dimensions on trench piece as per the drawing. Using tri-square marking gauge, marking knife and pencil. Finish the lines with tri-square and mark on the edge sides. Mark 10 mm housing depth on both the edges using marking gauge. Place the wood in the vise. Cut the sides of the housing down to the center line using tenon saw. Remove the excess wood using firmer chisel. Place the end of the other piece in the housing. If the housing is tight, pare the sides slightly with the chisel and clean it. Assemble the job. Check the accuracy of the inside squareness using tri-square. Advantages and application of full housing joint. A full housing joint is commonly used to build shelves and frames, or to attach shelves and partitions to cabinets and bookcases. Let's quickly recap. Gathering equipment includes wood, jack plane, tri-square, marking gauge, scriber, measuring tape, bench vise, mallet, firmer chisel and pencil. The tutorial covers checking and planing the wood, cutting it into pieces, marking dimensions, creating a 10 mm housing depth, sawing and using a firmer chisel to achieve the joint. Hope you understood everything taught in this session. See you in another video. Thank you and goodbye until then.